Hi guys, hi everyone. Today our second uh, analysis from LH Crypto from home. That's why you can see so interesting atmosphere, and today not the same like last analysis. I want to show you not only and introduce you not only a lot of news about the market. I want to do with you technical analysis, few major instruments from LH Crypto. But first of all, guys, before I will start, I wanna tell you one thing. So for everyone who's sitting in home and wanna get a profit, LH Crypto did the great bonus, and you can see it right now on your screens. It's 200% bonuses, and of course that 200% bonuses, it's not only like present, it's for everyone who real wanna get huge money and real wanna be the good trader. Every one of you know what as more deposit you have, as more drawdown can be, it's more easier you to enter to position. In regard of that, our company understand that perfectly too, and that's why we did that bonus for you, because as more good traders we will have, as better company result will be. You and company, trader and company, it's one thing. We can't separate that, because if trader will be without huge profit, company will be the same. So in regard of that, guys, I will continue and will tell you few options from that today technical analysis. So what I want to do first of all, I want to show you guys a few instruments from our LH crypto trading platform. So, and we will do the analysis with you together. So let's check first what I have, and first of all it will be Nasdaq 100, and why Nasdaq 100, everyone can ask me, but I will tell you right now. So if some of you looking on the way to start to be the long-term investor, or if some of you interested in what instruments will be good for invest on that year, 100% everyone who on the market understand what right now on that year and right now started already interesting few part of sectors. One of them, it's pharmacy, it's medicine, and it's one, no, everyone understand that, but that sector will grow on that year. For example, right now China will start to do a lot of machine for health, and maybe it will be helpful for recover China economy. But second one, it's a delivery companies, guys. It's delivery companies 100% in regard of that current time, coronavirus. It's will be very growing business. So, and the third one, it's for everyone who's sitting in home. It's for every one of us right now. Oh, sorry guys, I'm sitting at home, that's why sometimes it's happened. So we can tell about something technological. So for example, Netflix, some gamings and something like that. In regard to that, we will looking with you to Nasdaq 100. So what we will see on Nasdaq 100. So we will check the chart. No, first of all, you can see, guys, what we have on the weekly chart, the trading channel which was broken in the past, and right now you can see what chart wanted to do retest of that level. So it's mean what that support level right now for chart, it's resistance level, and for example, it's a good opportunity for us understand what will happen next. And only two options we will have. It's one of that option, it's what chart will come to that come back to that trading channel and will go higher, and second one, what that retest will be unsuccessful and the chart will go down to the price 7,500, I think. So how we will understand that? Of course, guys, we will not trade with you right now immediately, but forecasting for our view for beginning of the next week, I will show you 100%. So you can see what last reversal and will be in the boarding of that upper channel, and right now price do the retest, but still inside the trading channel, which go up. And right now that resistance level from weekly chart, it's a real resistance for that chart. So that will give us two options, guys. So for example, if weekly resistance level will be broken, it's mean what chart will go higher in the border of the trading channel, daily trading channel. If not, of course, resistance line daily trend channel will be broken and chart will go down. So that's mean what right now we can see the triangle, guys, and you see I did the triangle blue, and of course on the on beginning of the next week you need to check only one thing, you know, which line will be broken. For example, let's talk about triangle right now, support line or resistance line, and it will give you the direction which price will go for next week. And don't forget, guys, what we have major news on the next week, and one of them it's rate decision from US government, from Federal Reserve Bank, and the second one it's European Commission, and European leaders still think about the stimulus for Europe after the pandemic will finish. So, guys, two that news will be major for us, and for example, if you will see the broken line before that news, it will give us good opportunity to start to trade and to enter to position. Use the small stop loss, because every one of you know what technical analysis help us to understand where will be our stop loss, to cut our losses if something will happen not like we think. So guys, I think that picture it's a good picture, and every one of you understand that, because no, it's very easy analysis, and as you know, as more easier analysis is better result, because it's as more difficult you will do in your analysis, you know, it's more difficult will be always hold it in your mind, you know, and that's why will need more power to concentrate on that. So that's a very easy picture right now, you can see it, and actually you will remember it, I think, for the Monday. So let's go next, and let's check, guys, major currency. It's a Euro USD, and what we see in Euro USD, of course, it's a monthly trading downtrend channel, but not interested in that channel for us right now. We will check the weekly chart, and on weekly chart we see the downtrend channel too, but a little bit smaller. Of course, if we talk about analysis for the next week, we will understand with you what our analysis will be in board of that weekly trading channel. So let's go to 1 hour chart, and what we see there, the downtrend channel too. So very nice downtrend channel actually. And what we can understand for the next week. For the next week, if you will see the target of that downtrend channel, you will understand what that target will be clearly, you know, accurate on the support line weekly channel. So it's mean it's a good plan. If we talk what we will trade that 1 hour downtrend channel. So, and of course for some of you right now immediately will be good time to go into position, because it's a good ratio for stop loss, but for us, I think for the next week need to wait, because free touches already was, and it can be breakout on Monday. That's why on Monday, if chart will still be in board of that 1 hour trading channel, don't forget to sell when chart will be near the resistance line, and of course our target will be on the price 1.070015. So guys, that's a good view too for the next day. And second time I want to tell you, don't forget to check what will ECB, European Central Bank government, and European leaders tell about the stimulus, because looks like right now they have a big problem, because some country, of course, more poorest, and wanna get more stimulus and get it with more easier condition, and some of that, like Switzerland for example, it's a good country, not poor, and of course they don't wanna share a lot of money to shake the uh, European economy for the future, because every one of you know what's mean inflation. As more money country have, no, it's easy understanding. If we talk as more money country have, as cheapest that money price will be, and of course we can print a lot, but nothing will happen, because only price for the goods will go for the for the goods will go higher. So guys, that's a good view for Euro USD. Let's check next, and oil. We will check the oil benchmark, and it will be Brent. And of course, every one of you, I think, only death didn't hear what price on that week was lower than zero, minus 37, how I remember, was the WTI. And yes, it was a decision CME market, and of course they did not stop the trades, and to check what will happen. But of course, not only is CME did it. Of course, every one of you know that situation around OPEC Plus, and around the storages. What's happened actually? Not enough storages, guys. Not enough storages on the market right now. And regard of that, of course, we can talk what China will open their economy, and of course will get a lot of oil, but still that information still not enough for the oil price, because still not enough storages, and right now looks like everyone who wanted to buy already did it, and of course, if we talk about the future, everyone who did it will first of all get their own oil, which was bought before, and not buy new one, for new price. But after coronavirus pandemic, and it's 100%, because all countries will be try to save their money and not spend it after, because a lot of money will need for recover their economy. So guys, let's check on the price, and let's check what we see. So for example, we have two big price levels on the Brent. It's one major one on the monthly chart, it's 35, and second one, it's a little bit smaller on the weekly chart, it's 25, 27. I think it's 26. Let it be 26 right now. For us it doesn't matter, because we don't trade the pips, and we don't trade the scalping. So guys, of course right now price lower than that two resistance level, and of course I don't have any imagination what will happen to the price to go higher. In regard to that, guys, we can tell what chart still will go down, and we see some resistance line which direction is down, and of course what our plan for the trading for Monday will be. So for example, if price 26 and that resistant trading line will be broken, we can understand what our stop loss will be lower than 25, and maybe we will try to get the movement up to 35, so $10 for example. And of course it will be good movement. I don't know what will happen, but usually Mr. Trump can tell something, and actually oil price can do some movement. If not, we still think about going down. But if we talk about going down without any breakout up, need to be careful, guys, because we already in on the lowest level. And of course I think we will uh, go on the range closer to that trading resistance line, and only after that we will broke it up to 26, maybe higher, but only here, or we will go down from that. If we talk about going down, so our stop loss will be a little bit higher than 27. And of course, if we talk about the take profit, guys, not lower, I think, when 15, maybe 18, I think. Yes, it will be a nice stop loss, because we are on the lowest level. You need to remember that. So guys, and last one, it's a major thing for every one of us, and mostly for our company. It's a Bitcoin, guys. As if you remember, on our one of our last analysis, we did the forecasting about the movement for Bitcoin. It was double bottom, it was no, it was double top figure, and right now that double top figure already here on the market, and all price level was touched as the same like was in forecasting. And what we see right now, we see one major level. It's that figure level. It's 7,500, and we see trading channel which going higher, which going up, and the same situation what was on Nasdaq we see on Bitcoin right now. So it's mean what that upper trending channel right now have a resistance, and that resistance is 7,500. So it is mean what Bitcoin will be not good for trading in regard of that triangle, between resistance line, trading channel, upper trading channel, and between support line, 7,500. So it's mean, guys, for do the good trade for Bitcoin need a wait, and if, for example, the price support line will be resistance line will be broken, so we can see the price, and we can try to catch the price on the near the level 9,000. Let it be 9,000, no, 8,000, 9,000. If support line will be broken, so guys, 5,000 as well, we can try to catch the Bitcoin. So guys, that's all for today from home. I hope that information will be interesting for you, without a lot of words, without a lot of news, but with a lot of technical. And if you like that, write in the comments which format will be better for you. And I hope last analysis will be not from home. We will do it from our studio with all things what we have, much better, much pretty, and actually I think we will congratulate every one of you with the finish of that coronavirus pandemic. But no, of course it's my imagination, it's what I want, but I still believe on that, and I still believe what it will be faster. So guys, don't forget, stay at home, be safe. Was very glad to introduce to you the technical analysis. Hope you will like that. Bye bye guys, see you on the next analysis video.